What's up, gadgeteers? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a case accessory for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it comes from Pitaka. We have two different styles of cases. Well, same style, different pattern. This is their Pitaka woven case. This one is in, I don't know what this color is called here. I thought it might have a sunset color, which looks absolutely fantastic, and it does look like a sunset. It is woven from aramid fibers. Both of these are woven from aramid fibers, and this is more of a stealth one. This one's your black gray one, and this is your sunset colors. But in addition to that, we also have two accessories here. This is a magnetic slim light with NFC chip. It's almost like a it's called the Pitaflow. It's almost like a ring, kind of like accessory to give you better slash stand to give you a better grip on your Galaxy Z Fold 6, and it serves as a kickstand as well. This one has a NFC chip, and I think this one has an NFC chip too. These black for black and one for the sunset one, so they kind of match whatever case you have. I don't know what the NFC chip is for. Works as a NFC tag, so when you put it on, you can kind of set in as program the NFC tag for a certain motor or anything like that. So let's take a look at the sunset one here. Looks pretty good. Premium package as always from Pitaka. But let's take a look and see what we have inside the case. And this time around, I think they're going with a back only design. Yep, because you do not have the front portion. So all they're doing is a back design here, and let's see if it'll work with. I do have the official front portion of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Samsung case, and you know what, it is gonna work just fine with that. If you don't want to rock it without, as you can see, it works just fine. It's just a slight bit thinner, as you can see, than the official case. But let's go ahead and remove this, because this is intended for you to rock with it without, like so. It does not feel weird in hand. It is going to protect just the back portion of your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 along with these edges here. Other than that, the front is exposed, so I strongly recommend you have a screen protector on the front if you're going to rock it like this. But very minimalist protection. This is just, maybe it's going to protect the cameras right there. As you can see, you do have lip protection there for the cameras if you lay it on its back. But that's about it. I don't think it's more of a stylistic case more than a protective case, but it actually looks good, feels good. You got Pitaka branding there. The cutouts on the bottom are nice and precise, the two on top and the two on the bottom, and the buttons are exposed, so no issues with the volume rocker or anything. Obviously this is going to wirelessly charge. It's just super thin, but if you want to go ahead and watch me charge it, boom, there it is. I think it has MagSafe technology back here, so it is going to work just fine with the MagSafe. So while we're opening this sunset one, let's go ahead and open this Pitaflow for the sunset case here, and let me give you a good look on what this accessory is here. And this is all that comes in the box. So this is what we're looking at right here. This is the portion that says sunset. It matches that back there. But you have this swivel here and this stand where you can put your finger in like that, give you better grip on your device. But other than that, I think that's all it serves its purpose for it. But boom, very nice, strong magnets. This thing is nice and strong. You can go ahead and unlock this. I think I have to put in my code. But like I said, you can rock this like this, or if you have this display open, you can have it like that, so you can have a better grip on your device, which actually works pretty good. It feels comfortable in hand, and you can also use it as a kickstand, I believe. Let me get the right angle here. You gotta kind of balance this at a right angle here. Where am I looking at? No, maybe you cannot. Oh yeah, if you flip this around, you're gonna be able to. Where is it at? Why is this not? It wants to go like this, so I do not know why this is not working as a kickstand. Maybe this way. There we go. Finally got it. So it works as a kickstand. You can go ahead and rock it like a kickstand like that. Boom. That is the position right there. So you just got to kind of swivel this around to whatever position you want and get your phone to stand. It's not going to go vertical mode. I don't think it will. It's not meant for that. But it will go landscape mode so you can enjoy your movies at nice landscape mode, boom, YouTube videos and everything, and it's gonna work just fine. Looks absolutely good, but one thing I'm a little unsure about is not having protection here on the front. At least that little thin cover kind of made it feel a little bit more secure. But let me know down in the comment section below if you actually like cases like this. I'm a little iffy about it, but let me know down in the comment section below what you think are the pros and cons with having a case this style. So without further ado, let's go ahead and take a look at the black gray one. Everything's going to be similar. It's just a different color. So I just want to give you a quick look on how it's going to look. Same packaging, same everything. Let's go ahead and open this. We get this black one here. Bam, look at that. It absolutely looks fantastic. Feels good in hand. And the pedal flow is going to be exactly the same, but in black. So it's just going to go ahead and boom, look at that. Even with the pedal flow, it adds a little bit of bulk, but not too much. But it does mitigate the wobble, shaky because it sits on the pedal flow itself. So you can like kind of spin it and stuff like that. But this does work as added phone grip. It absolutely feels good. Boom, look at that. It feels good in hand and just feels good. It actually does not feel bad at all. You can use this with any MagSafe compatible devices. It's not just for this case. This thing will work for any device that supports MagSafe compatibility. So without further ado, that is what we have here from Pitaka. These two beautiful woven cases made out of aramid fiber. Let me know down in the comment section below what do you guys think about these style of cases. Do you like these or the old way where you get at least a front cover there? They're not doing that no more. Let me know if you think it's a big mistake or not. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!